Hey, if you are wondering how you can clean the USB charging port on the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, well, it's actually quite simple because all you have to do is just to grab that charging case, and now when you have some dirt, I can recommend you to use this plastic toothpick or something different, but definitely do not use any metal parts. And now you will have to gently try to put it, and it's quite easy to actually remove everything that is inside. You just have to move this gentle swipes into one side, into second side. As you can see now, the dust is coming out of this port. There we go, like this, until you remove everything. You can also gently blow into this one, but do not split here. I will try to do that. Oh, there we go. As you can see now, it looks much better. So well, probably it's finished. I don't have to do anything right now. Yeah, there we go. So that's how we can do this.